Oh my god!
That's the best one right there.
You put it right up my nose!
Right. What's going on YouTube? You guys have tuned into Best Price Nutrition. You can visit us at BestPriceNutrition.com. We've been around for 20 years. We got a 14,000 square foot warehouse back here with all your favorite brands. So be sure to check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com. And be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to get exclusive deals that can only be found here, as well as find out about unique, new, interesting products hitting the market, like the one we're going to be taking a look at today.
Yeah, that's rough. This is Insane Labz Wake the Dead. So what this is it's smelling salts. And if you guys don't know what smelling salts are, basically it's a form of ammonia, right? Ammonia sulfate. Something like that. There's no ingredients.
Well, and why these guys are probably most familiar with them. If you ever see on a movie when somebody passes out and the paramedics stick that thing under their nose, and
a lot of times it's like a stick that they'll crack. And if you're watching this channel, you're probably into bodybuilding or powerlifting or something like that. So what you've probably seen it more of is before someone will do a big lift, they'll crack something under their nose, it'll light them up, and then they'll do the lift immediately after that. So that's what these are. And basically, what we kind of come to terms with from us trying it ourselves, John and I have been the first ones to try it. It kind of just like totally stops you from being able to breathe any further.
Yeah, I was kind of surprised. I guess how it works, the ammonia disrupts your breathing, and somehow that's supposed to jar you to awakeness or alertness. And what's kind of unique about this one, and it's so overpowering, I don't know that I pick up too much of it, but they've infused it with spearmint to, I don't know, maybe make it more pleasant.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's if you do a really strong sniff, it's like an immediate, you cannot go any further. And I believe we're selling these for, I don't know, but we are running a deal on them soon, so keep an eye out for that. They're not expensive, and it's actually super cool if you want to try it out. It's not expensive. I seriously think you should try it out. I've never used these before, and it's super interesting. I never thought we would carry a weird product like this.
Well, that's weird. You hear about, just in kind of doing research for the site and things like that, you hear about smelling salts a lot in the bodybuilding world, but really none of the major brands have put out a product of smelling salts, so it's kind of neat to see this one.
Usually I'm pretty jacked up on pre-workout when I go to the gym, so I don't think I would ever need this for what I do, but if I were ever doing like maxing out, hitting PRs, doing really big numbers, something like that, I could definitely see this coming into play pretty extensively. It really does light you up pretty immediately. I think it triggers your central nervous system really hard.
You know what I was kind of interested in learning? So we've just been sniffing it straight out of the bottle without watering it, but I guess according to the directions, you're supposed to basically drop a cap full of water onto the cotton swab and smell it that way. I'm not sure if that makes it more...
We'll try that out.
More intense or not. But I think this will probably last you quite a long time, because it seems like you just smell it, shut it, smell it, shut it. Like I would imagine this would probably last you like a year, I would guess.
I'm not sure. I'll be honest, it kind of smells a little less strong than it did before. Oh wow. Would you take the cotton ball out? Stronger.
I was wondering how intense this stuff is, because I was watching some videos on YouTube of people trying smelling salts, and people were like falling out.
Yeah,
And I mean, this is strong, but I didn't
try it. Give that one a good one.
Oh man,
isn't that stronger?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try this the right way right now. So it says add 1 capful of water to a cotton ball under the lid to initiate reaction. So I got the cotton ball, I got water. And then what do you do with it?
I'm dreading this.
Secure lid. And okay, so I put it back in. I shake it. Oh, okay, I see. There we go. Put that back in. Secure the lid.
Oh, this is going to be bad.
I know. And then it says, always keep lids secure when not in use. If this product dries out, re-wet. Okay, so that's what it is. So I guess we got it and it was fresh. Me and him opened it up. We tried it out, and then it kind of dried out. So what you have to do is wet the cotton ball, put it back in, shake it up, and that should make it Oh, it's all loose in there now. It like disappeared in there.
Oh man. You know, you actually do get a little bit of that spearmint.
Yeah, the more you do it. All right, so we're gonna shove this under some people's noses. We'll give you guys some real reactions here. Maybe if a customer comes in the store, we can get a customer reaction too. So yeah, check it out. We're gonna give you guys some reactions. And again, keep an eye out for this. We are gonna have it on sale very soon. But even without it being on sale, it's super cheap. It's like less than $15, I think.
Yeah.
Try it out, and yeah, like John said, it's gonna last a really long time. All right, so check out these reviews. You gotta do it. You gotta do it good.
You just got it in my mouth.
Jenny?
Oh boy.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good.
What is it?
Okay. All right, Marie.
Oh no. No.
You got it?
I should have thrown that. Mm-hmm.